Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you my 2014 Yamaha YZ85. Got this bike on Christmas, traded in my 2014 CRF 125. Didn't have enough power, and I thought it quite frankly sucked. So this bike, I've got Brenthal handlebars, HRB's handguards, One Industries front and rear graphics. It's got the stock exhaust on it, but I will be getting an FMF Fatty and Shorty soon. As you can see, this is a 2014 model. It's got a One Industry seat cover, Rust Racing graphics. Got a little watch on there. Alright, let's start it up. And I'm not one of those little pricks who likes to just barely rev it up. I'm going to rev this motherfucker. So that is my 2014 Yamaha YZ85. There wasn't many videos up on YouTube at the time, so I thought I would upload mine. Sorry for the shaky camera. I'm recording this with my iPhone. I'm doing the best I can. Alright. So that's her. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.